Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a branded workplace charging kiosk with DCFC-ready planning, full guide step by step clearly. To install a branded workplace charging kiosk with DCFC-ready planning, begin by assessing the charging needs of your organization. Identify the types of electric vehicles that will be using the kiosk. Determine the number of charging stations required based on employee and visitor usage. Research approved charging kiosk models that meet your branding and operational requirements. Choose a location for the kiosk that is easily accessible for users. Ensure that the chosen location has adequate power supply for fast charging. Consult with a licensed electrician to evaluate electrical modifications needed for installation. Secure any necessary permits and approvals from local authorities. Design the space around the kiosk to align with your brand identity, including signage and aesthetics. Order the selected charging kiosk and any required accessories. Schedule a date for installation with the equipment provider and your electrician. Prepare the site by clearing any obstructions and marking the installation area. Coordinate with the installation team to ensure all equipment is delivered on time. During installation, confirm that all electrical connections are properly made and tested. Integrate the kiosk with your workplace management system if applicable. After installation, perform a thorough check of the kiosk's functionality and features. Train employees and relevant staff on how to operate and troubleshoot the kiosk. Launch the charging kiosk to your workforce with clear instructions on usage. Monitor the performance of the kiosk regularly to ensure it meets user needs. Gather feedback from users to identify any areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.